Yes, and it is seasonal. That one is a seasonal subscription. This one and the 4 one is a monthly subscription. That's right. But right now I do have, I'm so excited, a discount code for you guys if you want to go on to Facetory. I'm not sure if it works with a subscription box. I forgot to ask. But DagnyDesiree 15, I will leave the code down below for you, and you can get 15% off your Facetory order. And yeah, you should check it out because I love their sheet masks. Anyway, now that I told you all the jazz, let's get into it. So exciting, so freaking exciting. All right, so they even give you a pamphlet, tells you not the price, but oh, this one does tell me the price. I lied, I'm sorry. I don't ever usually look at it. I look at the products because I mean, yeah, sometimes it's nice to know the price, but I kind of agree with the one girl that I watched. I mentioned this in another video that too many people are focusing on how much the box was worth and not the products themselves. Like, they're amazing products, but then it's like, oh, it was only worth $100. Is it like, right? So it just takes away from the experience, I think. Anyway, I'm trying to stop rambling. It's just been forever since I've gone in front of the camera. Let's check out the first mask. This is the first mask. And I've been wanting to try this. I've seen it on the site. It is the Facetory Dream Garden Chamomile Calming and Hydrating Facial Sheet Masks. The pamphlet tells you all about it. And I like to read to you guys the why they love it, because it's just good information. And it says, please welcome the newest sheet mask in our Dream Garden line. We adore this mask not only for its unique waffle texture, but it's also for its jelly-like essence. The luxurious essence contains 80% chamomile flower, water, which minimizes irritation and redness on our skin. Ooh, that sounds real good. We recommend using this mask at night so you can wake up hydrated and glowy skin the next day. That's exciting. I really like it. I actually went through now and write N or M on them, depending on, you know, night or morning, because it tells you when it's best to use it. So I think that's absolutely perfect. All right, let's move on to the next one, which is, sorry, I'm just trying to find it in the pamphlet too. This one is Dito Skin Green Tea Time Mask, moisture calming and nourishing. Super exciting. I love green tea products. Let's see. It says, we like using this sheet mask whenever, I almost said the other word, guys, I'm sorry. Whether it's morning or night. Ooh, see? It gives us a dewy appearance. It helps brighten our overall complexion. It's super nourishing and revitalizing. Plus, there's a ton of milky essence, so it's perfect to nourish the rest of your skin too. That sounds amazing. All right, next one. What do we got? Capio? Hibiscus Relaxing Mask. Point 1 is sensitivity. Point 2 it says moisturizing. Point 3 anti-wrinkle. Ooh, special care with vegan ingredients. Relax, refresh for all skin types. That's what it looks like. You find it in a pamphlet here. It says, this is another mask that's great for using day or night. It has a thick, clear essence that makes your skin feel super smooth. We also like that it hydrates our dry skin in the wintertime and that the mask feels extra soft. The glow we get from this mask is amazing. That sounds amazing. Okay, what do we got here? Kombucha. Oh, kombucha? I think that's how you say it. I've been seeing that everywhere lately. My friend has been making some and she's been posting, and I don't even know what it is, and I meant to look it up but I keep forgetting. But this is kombucha, if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry if I'm not. Tea. It's a skin tea time mask. Skin barrier strengthening. Oh, that sounds good. I love the packaging on this one too. I like the teapot and stuff. So that's what that looks like. And now let's see what the book has to say. It says, this makes a huge difference for our skin. Our skin feels comfortable and healthy. We gravitate towards this mask whenever our skin feels unabandoned and dull. Oh, unabandoned. Oh my goodness, real life over here. This is a mess. It's unbalanced, not unbalanced and dull. The skin sinks, the essence, oh my god, I cannot read today. The essence sinks in fast and doesn't leave our skin feeling tacky. We absolutely love how hydrated and plump our complexion looks. Sounds amazing. I can't wait to try it. The next one is that chickpeas? Daily green mask for elasticity. The picture looks like chickpeas. So I wonder if there's chickpeas in it. Hold on. Let's see what pamphlet says. Oh, it's soybean, fermented soybean that help protect and defend the skin against damage. My goodness. We love how this sheet mask feels. We enjoy using the mask at night since it has slightly tacky essence. It's amazing for dry skin, and whenever we feel like our skin looks a bit dull and lackluster, this sheet mask really helps give us that extra boost. It's also great for those who need to rebalance and replenish their skin. That sounds amazing. Alright. Minus. Soothing Pore Facial Mask. Very plain. I think the brand's called Minus. Yeah, that would make sense with the minus there. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Lapothecel. Oh my god, if that's the name, I'm so sorry, I'm butchering it. Yeah, Soothing Pore and Pore Facial Mask. This sheet mask does a lot for our skin. Not only does it help balance out our skin, but it also helps calm the redness and blemishes we are dealing with. Oh yes, that sounds amazing. We also like that the material is different from our normal cotton microfiber material. The coconut jelly biocellulose material really sticks to our face and feels like a spa-like treatment. Ooh, that sounds amazing. This might have to go to the top of my list. When did it say? It doesn't say day or night, so I'm just probably going to try this one out tonight. I'm going to put it right there so I remember. Okay, last sheet mask is, oh my gosh. So when I got it yesterday, I did take a peek because, I'm sorry, I wasn't sure if I was going to do this video. And then I said, no, I will put it away and I will do it tomorrow. Because I knew if I didn't do something, I was going to be stuck in this depression. But I saw this. Look at it. It says ice cream. Super freaking cute. Ice cream pack. Active ingredient, hyaluronic acid and betadine, I don't know. My Desire Pure Skin. Let's see what the booklet has to say. Where are we? Okay. Pure in Skin. My Desire Ice Cream Pack. We like using this mask whenever our skin feels confused, especially those of us who have combination skin. Oh my goodness. Hello. Such combination skin. Dry, oily. I don't get it. And like flaking lately. It's just been so dry around here. It moisturizes our skin perfectly and also helps calm redness caused by any blemishes or inflammation that we have. We like this mask at night for smooth, moisturized skin in the morning. Now I might have to use this one instead. I'll put it over here, I can't decide. Okay, so that's all the sheet masks we got, but we also get an extra skincare product. It says between 1 and 2, but I've always only ever gotten 1, just heads up. Nonetheless though, I have to say I absolutely love getting these every month, if I haven't already said it. Okay, so this is the Beautiful Fact Probiotic Ball Capsule Cream. So it looks like this, and I'm assuming, because I didn't open it yesterday. Let's see if I can get this tape off. Yay, I don't have to get up and get scissors. I'm a little lazy, okay. Okay. So weird. Oh, literally. Okay, I'll take one of these out to show you. So it says it's a probiotic ball capsule cream. It really is. Okay, that's the back. Can you see the ball in there? And then that's just what the front of the pack looks like. So it says, get a burst of hydration with this dual formula moisturizing cream that contains a probiotic capsule and gel cream. When mixed, the solution activates to make your skin healthy and radiant. Okay, that's cool. I want to know how this, this little thing works, and I'm sure you might be curious. So it says, after cleansing and toning, open up the capsule container, crush the white capsule and mix it with the gel. Oh, simple. That's really cool. And then gently apply to skin for absorption. Huh. Well, we'll definitely be checking that out tonight too. That is super fun. Cool. Yeah, it gives us 3 different ones of it, which is not bad. I've been super enjoying all their products that they sent. What did they send last time? Oh, it was a moisturizing vitamin E cream. That was really good. It was. I used up the whole jar because I used it day and night. And I don't know if I was supposed to. I think it might have been just a day cream. I can't quite remember, but anyway, I used that up. And then the hand cream I got in one bag is out in my living room. We use that a lot. Like, yeah. I have nothing but good things to say about this brand. I absolutely love getting these sheet masks every month. I mean, who doesn't love a sheet mask? It just feels like spa every day in your own house, right? And since we really can't go anywhere, it helps, right? It helps. It's the little things that count. Anyway, I'll stop rambling on because this video is already at 18 minutes. Hopefully, I cut some of this out. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.